I sounded like for W's and stuff. You feel me? Let me do this. Nah. Oh nah. Listen, I have an idea. Ad lib. Hold up. I have an idea, Chad.
Yeah.
Hold up. Let me download this. Look how I cook, gents. Look how I cook. Bro, I'm giving y'all niggas the sauce live. Wait. I'm giving y'all niggas the sauce live. Tem isso. Let's do that, and then have that other sound. Let's do this now. Let me not X out anything. Now look at this. Look at this.
Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Hold up, listen.
Yeah.
No, let me do this.
Yeah.
That sounds nah. That sounds not, Chad. That sounds not. All we could do like this. Listen. We could do this. That don't sound nah. That sounds nah, bro. Hold up. Look. We could do this. What is it? Oh, yeah. Sound effects. That don't sound nah. Zesty. No, it can't be zesty.
Yeah.
That sounds good, bro. Bro, this is Gucci Mane's ad-lib. Like, you guys don't know shit. You talk about he's getting smashed. What are you saying, bro? This is Gucci Mane's ad-lib, bruh. You niggas don't know what you're saying, bro. It's showing your age. Do you even know who's Gucci Mane, bro? Nah, niggas just saying shit. Sounds like he's finishing, bro. They don't know Gucci Mane, bro. It's showing your age, gang. Oh shit, chat. Appreciate the sub, appreciate the sub from Sonabile. Oh, appreciate. Hey, what the fuck? 'Cause 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 Why is this thing not updating? Chad, this is a good sound, bro. Listen. Let me do it, and then you niggas will see. Let me do it, and then you niggas will see, dog. Let me do this. Look. I don't know if I